The Partnership to House San Diego is a collaborative of leaders in education, philanthropy, faith, and government, transforming underused land into homes for our region's working families. When we started the Partnership to House San Diego, I think everybody around the table had their own ideas of what they wanted to do in housing. What they didn't have was a collective idea of what we could do. At Prebys Foundation, the reason we think the partnership work is so important in housing in general is that housing comes up on every single front in our work, be it with artists or with youth or with people in the medical research and health arenas. Housing is a critical issue for our community. And what we've seen with the partnership is not only that we're better as a collaborative dealing with that issue, but that we actually can build the capacity of entire sectors, including the faith community and the education community, so they're better prepared to address this critical issue together.
We need all stakeholders in society working together to expand access to affordable housing at scale.
Right now we have 11 developments in the works, and then 5 of those are in the County District 4, which is where we are right now.
It is not just a housing complex, it is a community and it is a family here at North Park Seniors. One of the first LGBTQ affirming senior living facilities in the country opened in 2017. So many people in our Stonewall generation who were our activists, our pioneers, our trailblazers, as they age, need more care. This is where so many of those folks live.
We're standing in front of the Goldilocks apartment community. Middle-income housing plays a tremendous role, and with the 70 units, approximately 31 of these units will be deed restricted for 30 years to individuals and families earning middle-income wages in San Diego. And these families will be able to stay in this community as long as they can.
I see a future where 10 years from now, we have more than 5,000 units across our district, providing as many as 20,000 people access to affordable housing while they're completing their higher education.
It's our first container or modular project. Path Ventures is our developer. Paths provide these services, so together we really link up so that everything is really participant focused, focused on long-term stability. And this is in partnership with Family Health Centers.
It's a return on investment when someone can still participate in the economy because supportive services on site at the housing development that they live at allows them to connect to different parts of our economy and our community. It's a return on investment when affordable housing is on San Diego Unified or Community College District property because it gives families and individuals a chance to focus on their academic achievements with less risk of being put out of their homes. Morally, I think it's our responsibility, but also economically, we see that return on investment every day. I love my city and my county. We really do try to work together.
The housing crisis really requires all of us to think differently and to really process how to bring housing to market faster, cheaper, and better, frankly. What this table has done is bring together landowners who are in a position to do that, is helped funders be in a position to help with innovation and to spark a different level of thinking. And it's working. We're actually beginning to see different ideas emerge from this cross-sector collaboration of people who, as stakeholders, are able to make a difference for the land that they control, as long as they have the collective ideas that are surfacing at this table to allow them to do that. I think what we are beginning to realize is just how much we can imagine is possible if we make this sort of investment on a continued and deeper way. What we've seen through this work, particularly with these two sectors, faith and education, is an opening up of an extraordinary level of capacity. In the faith-based communities case, 8,000 units of housing. In the education arena's case, just recently, 3,000 units of housing being set in motion. There's tremendous capacity we're unleashing here.